Hello everyone, my name is Amitabh, a final year student and currently working as a DevOps engineer intern. In this video, we are going to learn about AWS security tool and we are going to cover about the AWS Credential Report Access Advisor, which is renamed as the last access. So without any delay, let's get started. Basically, IAM security tool help you to control access with the features like access analyzer, which is used to identify overprivileged access. And secondly is a credential report, which is auditing a user credential, whether the user have the created the access keys, MFA status, their password or etc. things. And last is a IAM access advisor, which is known as last access now, which show the last used permission of that user or role. We are not covering the access analyzer in this video because in that there is a lot more to cover. The access analyzer will come as a separate video. In this video, we are covering the credential report and access advisor only. So what is a credential report? Basically, account level report detailing user credential, password, keys, MFA status for the security audits. And to creating it, go to your IAM console. So this is the IAM dashboard. In that, you will see the access report where you can find the access analyzer. So for credential report, click on the credential report. So to download the credential report, you just have to click on the button and after that download it. And this is basically your access sheet. It will show you the user names, ARN, user created, password, whether is there is a password or not, when the password last has been created, MFA is active or not, and whether the access key is created or not for that user. So this is a credential report that you can generate with your AWS account. For that, you have to go to your AWS IAM console and you can simply create, and for audit purpose you can create whether the access key is created or not. You can report it and generate a report in your organization to provide to your senior whether the users are active or not, they are performing their task or also not. And secondly is the access advisor, which is now known as the last access. And what it is, basically it shows the last access services for users and roles, helping remove the unused permission, enabling the least privileges. So it will show you the user have access these services from a last days or whatever the last access of the services from the user it will show. So if the user is not using the EC2 from the long time, then the user don't need to access that EC2 permission, so you can remove that permission from that user. So because the user is not required to use the EC2, and if by mistakenly you have provided the EC2 access, you can remove after it by looking into your last access. So to see that, you can simply go to your users, and it is applicable to users and role only. So click on user, whatever you have to see. In that you can see the tab last access. It is a access advisor only. Now it is renamed as the last access. So it will show the Amitabh user have uses this resources when and which resources or services he is not using. So you can identify that and remove that permission for that user, so that you have enabling the least privileges in your organization. So last access information shows the services that this user can access and when those services were last accessed. Review this data to remove unused permission. So this is recommended by AWS also. So AWS S3 is last access today, a free tier access today with a permission from the administrator access, because Amitabh is a part of admin group which have the administrator access. So this is the services I have used yesterday, and you can go to second tab. So you can see the user have not accessed the service called app to runner Alexa for fitness. So the administrator can remove the permission from this user because this is not accessed by the user from a long time. Similarly, you can turn the pages and see which services are used by the user or not. And to remove that, you can simply remove the permission from the user And this is about AWS Credential Report and the Access Advisor. And in upcoming video, we are going to cover the Access Analyzer also. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching this video. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, bye.